Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can download and install XAMPP in your device. So in order to download XAMPP, first of all you need to search over here XAMPP and then press enter, and here you can see XAMPP installer download for Apache Friends. So you need to go to this link www.apachefriends.org. I'll also give this link in the description. So right now if we now click over here, then it will take you to this page, and here you can see XAMPP for Windows. Just click over here. If you are using Linux, then click this, and if you are using OS X, then click this. So we are using Windows, so we'll click over here XAMPP for Windows, and then the download will start automatically. But if it doesn't, then you need to click here. Just wait for 10 seconds. And there you can see the download started over here, and the file size is around 150 MB. So the download may take some time. So right now I will just fast forward the video, and here you can see the download is complete. So once the download complete, you can just double click over here, and after that you will see something like this. Let me just minimize this browser, and here you will see something like this. Just click here OK, then click next, and you do not have to do anything here. Just click next, and here you need to choose where you want to install your XAMPP. So by default it will choose the C drive XAMPP like this. If you want different location like new volume D or F, you can change it, but I will download it over here. So I'll just click here next, then you can pick your language. I'll choose English, then next, then click next again, and then it will start installing some packages for XAMPP. So this may again take like 2 to 3 minutes. So again I will just fast forward the video, and there you can see it is complete, and once complete you will see this finish button. Just click on finish, and here it is checked by default that do you want to start the control panel now. If you just check it and click on finish, it will open XAMPP over here. There you can see. So this is how you can install XAMPP in your device. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you face any problem or if this video was useful to you, then make sure to comment, give a like, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.